Okay. All right. So today you've got two options of what you can do. It's kind of like what we said earlier in the week. Option one, you can do the bookwork for today. It's from the new Amsco book. You'll have to kind of scroll through it because I just put all of chapter 7 like together. My Adobe was doing some weird stuff. But scroll through to chapter 7.4, Economy in the Interwar Period. It's about 7 pages you got to read, but there's pictures and stuff, so it's really not that bad. On the left-hand side, you've got some things that you need to do. For the most part, it's vocab, stuff that we're going to talk about in greater detail tomorrow. But for the Great Depression and the Spanish Civil War, try to break it down into some causes, some effects, because both do have a tremendous impact. Then, just because I saw this in the book, and I think it actually really is some great information that's going to be important moving forward, I've got a little chart that I would like you to copy into your notebook, dealing with, the approaches to modern society in the 20th century, in the early 20th century. You got communism, you got capitalism, you have something new we're introducing today, fascism. It does not need to be word for word. You can shorten it up a little bit, summarize a little bit, but I should see, the same basic information in your notebook when I check it at the end of the week. So that is option one. If you work on it, this is certainly something that you can finish today. We're going to watch a video that connects to this tomorrow, but there'll probably be even a little bit of time tomorrow to wrap it up if you're not quite done. That's option one. Option two, write your DBQ essay. It has been available since Monday. It is due tomorrow before midnight. Now, if you write it in class, you are shorting yourself on a little bit of time. But if you feel like that's the best option for you based on what you got going on at home or whatever, I at least want to afford you some time in class to hopefully get that done. What you choose to do is completely up to you, but whatever you don't do in class today, obviously you're probably going to have to do for homework. As far as the rest of the week, kind of talked about Thursday. Friday is going to be a half day. You're not going to be here very long, 25 minutes, I think. Basically, it's catch-up day. That being said, what you should be catching up on, if you need to, is your notebook, because notebook check number 1 is due before midnight on Friday, and the notes that you're doing maybe today, that's the last thing that needs to be in that notebook check. So you got some freedom. Just use your time wisely, prioritize, and obviously if you need anything, let me know. Any questions about the game plan today? Pretty straightforward. All right. If you want to listen to your headphones, more power to you. Just be productive. Like I said, the bookwork, you will have some time to finish up tomorrow if you don't quite finish today, so don't feel rushed. But obviously, if you do the DBQ essay, it's a timed thing, so you kind of will be rushed. So just take that for what it's worth. And like I said, if you need anything, let me know. I'm going to be working on grading those SAQs today. It is my hope and my belief that I should have those grades in for you later today. Like I said, if you need anything, please let me know.